then week 2 of Essay 2, we're going to do arrangement. We're adding in our sub-proofs now. And I think that's the only thing. Yeah, that's the only thing we're adding in. So we're going to come back over here. I'm going to still use blue because it's just blue on my paper. But for adventure, give me 3 sub-proofs for adventure.
Going to her castle, yeah.
Okay. Castle. What else? And you can use the ones off of there.
Oh, sorry.
Either way, yeah. Was that maybe for alone, safety maybe for alone, or was that for adventure? I don't know.
Upgrade safety has the happy reason
Great.
to it, but
Perfect. Okay.
we wanted a safe adventure.
And then another one for adventure, John.
Sorry, I'm trying to read what you have up there.
Okay, let's see. Adventure smiley face. We only have 2 smiley faces.
Yeah.
We need another one.
She was powerful. This is the interesting type.
Intro. There we go. Let's move that one over. Let's go with powerful.
So you need 3
So we're doing. So this is for essay 2. Now we're doing 3 sub-proofs. Okay. So for alone, what 3 sub-proofs do we have for alone?
She had a dwarf with her. Wait,
A door.
that's on the interesting.
But we can move it over. Yeah.
Okay. I just want that somewhere.
I like it. All right. So we've got a door. What else for alone? She was a queen.
Yeah, she was queen.
And he was separated from his siblings.
Okay, the first week is just always going to be the Andy chart. Is that throughout the challenge?
Always.
Or the first 3? Okay. Okay. So when you're saying essay 2, week 2, that's when we're adding in the sub-proofs.
Yes. So week 1 will always be the Annie chart. Week 2 will always be the outline. And week 3 will be typing the paper and adding your rhetorical
She's
notes.
telling you like, hey, this is essay 2. It literally says essay 2, and then like on that next page it says you will do your sub-proofs now. And essay 1, you don't have the option. So if your kid's following his book, unless he wants to handwrite in sub-proofs for the fun of it, like it's not an option.
So our third set of proof is treats. What are our sub-proofs for this?
It's just about to shut power down on its own.
He was cold,
Cold.
and we got to come up with 2 more.
Okay, we need 2 more sub-proofs for treats.
He was hungry.
Hungry. Okay?
Addicted to sugar. Sugar addiction. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Broken in Jesus' name.
Excellent. Okay, so now you have your complete outline for essay 2. You've got 3 paragraphs here. Your 3 individual proofs with 3 sub-proofs, okay? So starting at this point, it's more, this sorting your Annie chart becomes more helpful. You're going to sort through each of those and kind of figure out what categories do they fit into, okay? And we'll walk through that in the class too.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lynn and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day, and remember, you are already enough.